A famous Japanese proverb says, "Our father's goodness is higher than the mountain, our mother's goodness is deeper than the sea." A very pleasant morning to all of you. Myself Ruchika, leader of this team, and here is my team.
Good morning, I am Pragya.
Good morning, I am Vinita. So, we stand before you all to express our views in favor of the motion should parents decide the career of their children for future. So, we are thinking that yes, parents should decide the career of their future. And what about your views about this opinion?
Good morning everyone, I am Aditya Kumar and here is my team. He is Sonu, he is Ranjan, he is Sambhav. And we are here for the inter-class debate competition. And so today's topic is, should parents pursue their child's education? And we are going to highlight about the cons of this topic. Our point of view is that parents... Our point of view is that parents shouldn't decide our future and they don't have to choose our career.
Every parent wants to see their children well settled life, so they have right to choose their career and they are the better that can choose our career.
Parents want to choose their careers and want their children to be successful, but they often turn a blind eye to their children's ability and ignore their children's ability and completely force them into a profession which earns well and out of their abilities in which the children struggle.
No, parents doesn't do this. Parents always observe their children and after that they choose a right career for their children that's suitable for them.
It is the children's life, not the parents' life, so the parents should always consult their children, not choose their careers freely. They always should consult with the parents first about their career.
Parents are always observing their children from since their childhood, so they know that which field his or her child is good.
No, they don't know about it. They mostly force their children to become doctor, engineer, or go into civil services. They don't care about his talent.
I want to ask you a question that children are mature enough to choose their career?
Yes, they are.
Why?
Children become mature as their career because after 12th and the career choosing time, they often experience enough life to choose their careers.
Most of time, child divert from the social media as there are so many apps available on the social media that diverse child's minds. As now, half of youth generation of our country want to become a social media influencer without knowing that the path they have chosen where it leads to.
It is absolutely children's life whether they decide they want to become the social media influencer, they will. It's not the parents' life and the parents' line to interfere with their decisions.
But parents know which field is good for their children's career, as they are care for their children's future, as they don't want that their children will not.
Parents always want to see their children as well settled in their life. They don't want to spoil the children's life. That's why they choose good career for their.
I quite agree that parents want their children to a very settled life. But in this process, they always forget what the children want.
If you think that the parents force their children to choose the career of their choice, then you are totally wrong, because maybe the child want to do that. Maybe the career that child want to choose is not appropriate for him.
Even the decision of the child which is not appropriate from your perspective, but the parents will always want their to go in a high-field job which completely ignores the children's ability and later he struggles and has mental issues. It's better to have a low-paying job than high-paying job with struggles.
Do you think that children are always right to choosing their career?
No, they not often right to choose their career. So that's why they will consult with parents and use their life experience to choose their career.
But why are you thinking that parents would not select good career for their children?
This is not parents' life. Parents have done doing their jobs and things. It's the children's life, so the full right of children to choose their job. So it's parents' responsibility to hold their children back and not to let them fall, but also not push them forward.
Many children take a lots of stress to thinking about their career, but parents help and reduce the stress.
In most of the cases, children get depressed by the choice of their parents and committed suicide. Every year, about 10,000 children committed suicide due to the pressure that parents are given onto them.
If children get pressurized and lead to suicide, then the only who are responsible for their death are they and their negative thoughts. If they are thinking that parents are forcing them to choose a career, then they are totally wrong. As parents know about their children, that in which field they are good and in which field they are not good, they always select a good career for them. Maybe there is some reason with them behind you forcing you, like economic condition, or maybe the children want to choose the career is not appropriate for you.
A children better know about what is in which field is he interested and what subject did he like most. So it is easy for him to choose the path for him.
No one can know the children better than their parents because they observe from their childhood.
I want to create a popular quote that is, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, but the apple surely falls parallel to the tree. Parents also do not know about their children's abilities to think.
Children are not mature enough when they have to select some career. Like in school, every year we ask that what you want to be in when you are grown up, and most of us change our decision every year. Like first year we want to be a cricketer, then second year we want to be a badminton. That's our decision change every year. So parents know.
So, parents should decide the career of their children as they are well experienced and they have all knowledge about our society as they have observed from the surroundings.
The parents only observe the mainstream job industry and etc. But the children don't often enjoy in the job industry of the mainstream. They often want to enjoy minor job abilities. So that's why the children have the right. And the fourth question that the children's decision change every year, that's only in some unmature one, and they can always consult with their parents. I'm telling you not to lose parents their careers of their children freely, but to consult them and choose their careers.
In starting, children are thinking that their parents are forcing them. But when they reach success, they think that their parents are right and they are wrong at that time.
Many times they don't become successful, and most of the times they need to do nothing.
Can you repeat it? We are not understandable.
Many times children can't do anything and they need to do nothing and they don't become successful.
But the parents are one who experience so many things that children have to face in their whole life. That's why parents can select a good future for them.
Now, my dear participants, your time is over. You had only 10 minutes and you have consumed all your time.